see it in the way I dress, and you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb, I'm from Oakland.
So we gotta check out this headlight system, see how it really does look effectively at night. I'm not gonna be riding at night, but I'll most likely be trying to head home and get caught in low light conditions like this. So let's just see what those low light conditions look like with these lights that's on the bike. I'm not expecting a ton, if I'm gonna be honest. Let's just see what we got. I mean, it's definitely good initial lighting, but I don't see much 5 feet out or so. So there's ultimately no projection. Looks good though. Woo, this bike handles great. God dang. This bike is extra. So it's ultimately just for the look. And Mike told me that, but I mean, I just wanted to see. So I mean, ultimately that is the look that I was hoping that it would pull off. There is still a little bit of space. I can maybe add another light if I really wanted to, but I don't believe that these lights are gonna project much more outward. So I'll just leave it as is. But I mean, for the most part, if we're like riding in a group and like cops are looking, I mean, that's more than adequate, you know. Now for you to see the difference in light output, I mean, look at that. That's not even high beam. Look at the light output. The projection is just so much, you know, from this bike to that bike. And I mean, obviously the dim whites don't look that good, but it works. But if I'm really gonna be out and about doing a long ride or anything, I'm most likely gonna jump on this right here. All right, so we are doing late night mission. We are about to try to get this thing together in one piece. You see where we're at, pro style. We're about to really get into it. Seeing this bike not one color, kind of annoying. We got a goal. We went and matched as closely as possible to Yamaha's OE, the championship blue. What's the color of this?
Blue raspberry.
I'm all right with that because we have.
Yeah,
we did an awesome job matching this up. We basically FaceTimed. I put the bike in the sun. He put the wrap card in the sun. Oh, that came off a little easier then.
Wait, didn't we get that when we bought the bike?
Get what?
The GoPro mount.
Oh, I've got a million GoPro mounts.
I know, but didn't that
It was on the bike. Yeah, just heat it up and it'll be good, huh? So little director's gonna do what he does when he sees what he sees fit. Instead of fighting it on the corners, you let the heat tighten it up on the corners.
Yeah.
That's been
Just
my
like
flaw. The
relax. Yeah, you gotta relax the material, conform it when you heat it, and then like kind of drop it on it. It lightly conforms it, and then you finish by stretching it.
Gotcha. Bed by 4, up by 7. I've already been outside doing a few things. I just couldn't wait. You know how it is when you got a project that you want. Oh, I'm dropping 3M everywhere. You know how it is when you got a project that you want to see completed. So I hopped up before everybody was awake, didn't grab no camera or nothing. So, oh, let me just show you. All right, look how pretty this motherfucker is, man. Damn, look how pretty this shit is, yo. All right, so already got the seat pad on, did a few things, minor adjustments. Oh, what I'm gonna do right now, so I need to lay the white panels, right? The number plates, they're not really gonna be number plates. They're not really gonna be number plates, they're just gonna be panels. So I freehanded this, put the knifeless tape there. So what I'm gonna do is lay a white panel, white sheet there, pull the knifeless tape. It's gonna cut what I need, and then the headlight covers can go back on, and that's the end for the front. I think the biggest challenge is gonna be the windscreen. I'm probably gonna remove the windscreen just so I can get that. You know what? Yeah. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna remove the windscreen so I can get this cut separately, because honestly, you just lay it over the windscreen, let it contour how it contours, then just pull the knifeless, get that shit out of there, and it's done deal. Let me get that done right now. Actually, I had Jalen and my wife and daughter with me. They got to hang out there in the truck. That's the benefit of the truck. That's actually why I got it. It was big enough for them to lounge out, watch TV and everything, and just cool out while I worked on this till 3 in the morning. Yeah, Jalen couldn't hang, so he tapped out early. He went to sleep. That's probably why he's the first one up and playing video games right now. All right, so I'm just gonna lay vinyl right there, pull it, and then it'll be done. And voila, look at that. Looks really good. You can get the idea already. This portion is gonna be white. We making it work because it's gonna be hot today. Now, obviously I have wrapped something before, RX-7, we wrapped black, but I learned very quickly that I'm not a rapper. That's why I let Pro Style do their thing, because that's what they do. I love to support the homies. My ultimate idea one day is gonna be a dream build that I do with strictly the homies. Car or bike, like everything from mechanics to design to painting to tuning. I want the whole thing to be done via the homies. But right now, my homies, they got business that I can support, and that's what I do. All right, so people are calling me to ride. See, I'm off that Rockstar, absolutely. Well, now I was about to say 0 sleep, but I got 2 hours, 3 hours sleep. I'm saying that to say this. I got to call an audible. I was gonna make the same number panel there on the back, but I could buy those. So I do have a set of decals coming. Let's go ahead and put the picture right up here. I was going to fully 100% emulate this R7. Now I'm looking at it, dude, and I might as well just go ahead and emulate the AMA bike, because this looks dead on it. We'll see, but I'm just saying that to say this. I'm gonna pause with this. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna leave that just how that is. And the decals that I have coming, they have that rear tail portion included. I just wanted it to be blank, but it says R6 in it, like the OE decals. So we'll probably just rock with that. I'm very, very pleased with it. Only thing I have left are clip-ons and bar ends. I want to have the bar ends that are the lever protectors, and obviously, like I was saying, I'm gonna have to go with the one that is a mirror, at least one. Oh, also, making a marker so that you could see that for the most part is red during the daytime. I do have the LED light on top of it. Like, I'm ultimately gonna add another LED strip, because I think about right here is gonna be a good look with a second LED strip. Looking at it from the tail end in the daytime, it's cool, that works. It's pretty standard to what the original R7 did. The original R7 was a track prepped bike that they sold for street. License plate, blinkers, and a little red marker was in one cluster that you detached when you went to the track. The original R7 just had a sticker of a red marker right there, similar to this. I go ahead and put that photo right here over the vert. That is how the original R7 looks. So since that's like my hero bike, then that's what I want to emulate with my favorite bike. I'm very pleased with how it came out. I really like the the color. Everything that we've gotten completed on this got me in a very cool place. I have a few pieces that are coming aesthetics. The bike performs very well. We actually just finished riding it. I took both of these out for a cruise. All the other parts are going to be aesthetics. Those you'll be seeing very, very, very soon. Other than that, with this experience that we gained from this vlog, I'm going to catch y'all in 2 when we gone.
Yeah. When they swing that way to Woo. Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute.